I make my students go here. I don't let them automatically go here because when you do that, it puts a default and it will automatically give you inches. So it's on here, the English US, go metric, standard, radio, create. Create.
Okay.
Start a 2D sketch. I can do this one this time. It doesn't really matter which plane you are for this purpose. I can take, and it's 50. And I want this also to be 50. And it's going to get my here, so zoom out a bit. And then I'm going to offset this whole thing, this, by 5. And I'm going to draw a line from one corner to the other. And I'm going to offset it, not by 5, but by 2.5. 2.5. And this one again by 2.5. Oh no, I didn't do that. That's not 2.5. Escape. So make sure when you're typing in your 2.5 and you're typing in 2.5, don't click. You must press enter on the keyboard, otherwise it won't give it to you. I'm going to go ahead and trim everything that I don't need, which is that
2.5 enter.
2.5 enter. I don't need any of this now. I just need those inner circles. Okay. If it doesn't want to let you, just ignore it. It's okay. And right click escape. Here, go ahead, delete that on the keyboard. And now we have an inner radius of 2 for all of these. So it's radiuses 2. And automatically there's left there from the last time. Click the first one, second one, and it should fill it. And I can close up. Now everything here. Now here's the fun part. I need to copy everything right here so that it's set off 5 there. So
you can't copy the whole. You have to.
I'm going to copy everything. So I actually just really easy. Escape. So I'll put to copy. I don't want to copy I want to copy everything. This.
Except for that line on the left.
And this. Nope. Let's try that again. Let's do a line. Because I want it to be 5 distance between here and there. So mathematically, I should be copying from here. Just make sure it's perpendicular. Escape. Kind of get rid of this one. I want to copy it from this point so that when I move it over to this point, this still has 5 distance. So let's go ahead and do that. Copy all of you. This and this and that and that and that. And the top right here. Base point. This intersection right here, it should highlight. Is it going to highlight it for me? No, it's going to only highlight that one. Okay, let's trim it off. Let's see if it'll give me this. Let's try that again. I'm trying to get the snaps to work for me. Select. Base point. There we go. To there.
When do you have time to give, like if I pay the $20 an hour, when do you have time to help out with it?
Undo.
Can you do it today or tomorrow?
I can probably do it more like Wednesday or Thursday, but tomorrow I have an appointment.
Okay, she has an appointment on Wednesday herself.
Okay.
Let me show you.
But definitely.
Let me see. She has a doctor's appointment on Wednesday. Let's see. She has a dental appointment.
base point.
Okay, our brother has one tomorrow, and us it's on the 18th. Yeah, look. See?
5,
Look.
6.
Miss Zappa, look, sorry. She.
So we have these extra ones, and we don't know after we copy this.
Okay.
And we don't need that one. And now I have a distance of 5 between those.
5, 6, yeah.
6, and they're all there. And I can now finish that sketch. And I should be able to extrude this whole piece by 6.
Extrude.
And done. And there's your sheep.
Extrude is found on the wig.